Estimates come in handy when creating a proposal for the clients, helping you convey the estimated cost of the services to be provided. With GuardsPro Invoicer, you can streamline your bid estimation process with accuracy and eliminate pricing errors. GuardsPro Invoicer helps you create estimates right from the dashboard in a few simple steps. Click on the Invoicer from the main menu and select Estimates. On the next screen, click on the New Estimate. On the next screen, add all the required details. Add a title and description for the estimate. Select the client and client post site for which the estimate has to be created, and add the estimate number, date, and expire date. Click on Add an Item, and from the drop-down menu, select one of the services to be billed. You can add different services the client will be charged for, then enter the estimated hours and the rate per hour. The total amount of the estimate is automatically calculated. You can choose to preview the estimate and then edit if needed, or else simply click on Save and Continue. On the preview page, you can check the estimate details and choose to edit it if required. When you save and continue, you can edit the estimate, send it instantly to the client, or convert it to invoice. The new estimate is added to the list of estimates with status as unsent. You can export it to PDF, send the estimate to the client, or convert it to invoice. This is how simple it is to create an estimate with GuardsPro. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.